Good morning, YouTube audience. Coming at you today with a video comparing two identical builds of the Mustang Mach-E Select all-wheel drive with the comfort and technology package. I'm going to go through today and show you the differences between the early build, which is the Carbonized Gray one on the left. That color is no longer offered. And the later built, what people call Job 2 on the right in the dark matter gray. Okay, first we're going to take a look at the window sticker, or the Maroni sticker as some people call it. So this is the Job 1. This is the Carbonized Gray Select all-wheel drive with the comfort and technology package. You can see what the comfort and technology package adds, and it's a cost of $2,600 plus the floor mats and everything, an additional $240. So that brings the price, the base price of $49.5 plus the options of $28.40 gives you a total of $49,535 as the sticker price on this vehicle. You can see that the date down in the bottom, now I don't know if that's the manufacturing date or the shipping date, but this vehicle was produced around March of 2021. Okay, now we've jumped over to the Job 2 build, but again, you can see it's still a 2021 Select all-wheel drive, this time with the dark matter gray metallic paint. Select is only available with the black interior, which is fine. It's what I would prefer. So then we've got the comfort and technology package on here as well. You'll notice that it's $600 different from the last one. On this one it's $3,200, and that $600 is because they have unlocked Blue's Clues, the hands-free driving. The other vehicle will get that at some point, and they will give me the ability to pay that $600 to unlock that, but this one actually has it. So you can see that the sticker price here, the base price is the same, $45,595, with the total options being $34.40 this time, bringing it up to just over $50,000. So $50,135. And you can see that this one has a date of August 31st, 2021 as its build or ship date, whatever that date actually represents. I purchased the first one, which was built in March. I purchased that in June of 2021. And this one I purchased in December of 2021. Back in the Job 1, the Carbonized Gray, the vehicle, when I picked it up in June, was with software version or Ford power-ups. It was 1.4 something. I then got a 1.6 update, a 1.7 update, and just recently got this 2.1 update. The updates haven't added anything of substance thus far. Seems to just be minor updates. The only thing I got was the ability to doodle and access a calculator. Looking at the dark matter gray Job 2 vehicle, I don't know exactly which version I am on, as it just says that system is up to date. I do have Sketch in here, so I'm going to assume that the vehicle was delivered with either 1.7 or 2.1 previously installed. Vehicle number 1 came with only one key fob, and the promise of phone as a key, which it does have, is suboptimal at this point. Vehicle number 2 came with 2 key fobs, which is a nice addition. It also came with physically printed owner's manual and a quick start guide. The other vehicle did not come with that. When the version 1 vehicle displays text on the screen in front of you, it looks like this. When the version 2 vehicle displays text on the screen in front of you, it looks like that. You'll notice in the lower corner here, it's telling you which direction you're facing. On version 2, you get your direction, as well as an indication that the roads may be icy. In the version 1 vehicle, the only way to turn traction control off is in the menu system. There is no physical button. In the version 2 software, the traction control is no longer on the settings screen. It is just a button. But having access to that button gives you the ability to hold and turn the advanced track all the way off. Press the button again and it goes back on. On version 1, if you're in the controls menu and the access tab, you have the ability to unlock charge cord, whether you want the charging port light on, or you can pop the hatch. Version 2, you access that same screen. You have the buttons in a different order because now you have the ability to pop the frunk. And as you could hear, it actually worked. The frunk on the version 1 would look like this. My dividers have been taken out, so I just have them standing in there for illustration purposes. Also, this button doesn't do anything. You would hear the gear moving. Supposedly Ford will be adding that in a future software update. Version 2, you can see there's no dividers. The holes hadn't even been drilled to put them in. And when you hit the button, so somebody could actually get out of there if they happen to have fallen in. And by hitting that button, you're notified that the emergency release was engaged. If you're in the version 1 model, when you turn the volume, your volume indicator goes up and down. Jumping into the version 2, you turn the volume dial, and the volume now goes side to side. Alright guys, so those seem to be the major differences that I've been able to identify so far. If you are aware of any, drop them in the comments below so I can go ahead and look for them myself. Here's a good look at the two colors side by side. Thanks for watching.